Hey everybody, let's talk in this video about the operation and the priorities. So to get started, I will click right here. I will open new class. I will name it operations. Okay, make sure to add this method that I have it already for main. So operation, imagine I have two numbers, integer number 1 equal 5 and integer number 2 equal 10. So I want to do sum operation. I will say integer sum equal number 1 plus number 2. It's really easy to do operation in Java. It looks like any operation you do it in math. So you just say, okay, I need to sum this number and this number. You just add a plus between them. And here you go. You have sum. Now you could print it SYSO, then shift 8, then say sum, print sum. You click save, make sure save, then run. You will see, here you go, 15. To make it nicer, you just say sum double quotation equal, so you will see it in a nice way. So sum equal 15. That's mean I sum two number. I could add additional information, for example, multiply by 2. That's okay. Just save it. You will see different result. So in the same way you do operation, addition, subtraction, sub two number. If you see, you could do multiplication between two number. You could do divide two number, any other logic operation you could do it here. That's in math, you could do it here. So it's really easy to do all this operation. If you have more than operation, go ahead and do it. Imagine I have another third number. It should be number 3 equal 4. And let me say, here we go. I have all this information. Integer number 3. And I have integer for sum. If I say, okay, this one multiply by this one and add it with this one, with number 3. So this is, here come the priorities. So one thing you have to know about the priorities, so let me just add this line. So just when I add bracket, then this sign, then I go down, I could add comment in multi-lines. So the priority, first priority you have to know, it is the power. So the power is have high priority. Then the second one will be multiplication and like division and multiplication. And I don't know how I could do it in this way because I cannot add. I could do mul and div, that multiplication and division. Then sum and subtraction. Then the less operation is equal when you're done. And here you go. This is the higher priority. It is power. Power is a higher priority. So whenever you have power, it's have high priority. Then multiply and division, lower than that. Then sub and sum. Then here you go. So what does that mean? I have this 3 operation. First number multiplied by 2, then third one. So if I click run, you expect I have 5 add to multiply by 10 is 15. Add with 4, 54. That's great, and you don't have any error. What if I say, okay, I have multiply, then addition, then multiply. So you will expect you will have 5 add to 10 is 15 multiplied by 4. That means you have 50 and 50, 30, you have 60. But do you have 60? If you see, it's 45. So why it's 45? This is come through the priorities. So how Java work and how any program language work, it start comparing the operation from left to right. So it will compare two operation first, every 2. So say he will compare addition and multiply. Which one is have high priority? If you see here, if I just add number, this one will have 1, this one will have 2, this one have 3, this one have 4. So the one with low number will have high priority. If you see, I have multiply and addition. So multiply have high priority than addition. So even it is after it, so the first operation will exceed multiply. You multiply number 2 by 3. So multiply 4 by 10, it's 14. Then the result will be added to n1 will be 45. So did you see? What if I say, I would say subtraction from 3. What do you expect the operation will be? It's same way. You will compare two operation to operation. First one will be this one and this one. So who I have higher priority? This one have higher priority. So he say 10 add to multiply by 4, it's 14. So that's mean number one added to 14. So then he will compare two operation, addition and subtraction. Which one have high priority? They have same priority because they are from same level. So if the two operations have same priority, the one in the left will execute first. That's mean this part will execute first. That's mean we will have 45. So this result will be 45 minus 3 should be 42 as I expect. So let me see, 42 exactly. So what I want to tell you by the end of this video, the operation or the priority of the operation in Java on any programming language goes from left to right. So, and it compare two operation to operation. Compare, for example, multiply and addition. Which one have high priority will execute first. Even if you see this one second one, but this operation will execute first because it have high priority. Then it continue to operation and find final result. What if you want to avoid? So you want this two number execute first, so you have to add them between two bracket. So I want the two bracket have high priority from anyone. So you could say two bracket will be have high priority. Whenever you have two bracket, that means you are in high priority. That means now I could add this two number, then multiply by any 3, then get the result. If you see now, the result will be different. 57. Why? Because 1 plus 10, 15. Then 15 I have multiplication and subtraction. 15 multiplication by number 3, then 15 by 4. I have multiply and subtraction. Which one have high priority is multiply. That's mean 15 by 4. It mean 16. Then 16 minus 3 is 57. Here we go. This is a basic operation. So keep this operation in your mind. Always remember the high priority is two bracket, then power, then multiply and division, then subtraction, sum and subtraction, then equal. Equal be low priority. Later on, you will see this operation like minus minus and plus plus after. This will be with low priority. Make sure this we added as 5. Okay. I don't know this in this way, this after. And we could say if it's before, we'll have high priority from anyone. We'll have high priority will be second one this way. If this before, we will talk later about before and after. So I would say 0, 1. This one would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So later on you'll talk about this two part. Hello then, and see you next.